In this video I'm going to show you how to safely remove the 12 volt battery from this Toyota Corolla Hybrid. So the first thing you want to do is to check the voltage of the battery, and you can go inside the car, press start and see if the hybrid battery is able to charge the 12 volt battery. Push the power button. The car is ready to start. Here we should see the battery voltage going up to at least 4.2 volts. From this point, if the battery does not hold the charge over time, it's the battery fault, not the charging system. You can also use a regular battery tester. Make sure you've got a good connection. So this battery has 286 cold cranking amps, very low number. Okay, 285. And you can see here the lifetime of the battery is 20%. And that's because the battery was discharged for a long time. Obviously, once you disconnect the terminals, you're gonna disrupt the 12 volt supply to the computer and all the other electronics on the car. In order to stop that, I'm gonna keep that 12 volt supply on, even though I'm gonna swap the main battery. So I have to make sure I've got a good grip in here before removing the terminals. Now, when you're gonna undo this terminal here, make sure you don't touch on the ground. We need to be extra careful with the positive side, but it looks pretty good. It doesn't have any chance in touching the ground here, so this terminal is gonna be a little bit in the way, but let's remove first the bracket. You're gonna need a 13mm with an extension. Now we should be able to remove the battery. Let's see. Okay, we gotta place this bracket back. Reconnect the terminals. Now I can remove this auxiliary battery. Okay, so it goes up to 14.4 volts like before, which means that the charging power is enough. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to battery, Toyota Hybrid power. Okay. This should be the one. Wow, we don't have communication. Okay, so that was a little bit strange. I don't know if my scan tool is not able to do this register, or the car does not allow you to register a 12 volt battery. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.